Video Insight Pro AI has just been released, and today I'm going to give you 7 crucial things you need to know about this software. Whether you're in digital marketing, content creation, or just looking for a powerful AI tool to streamline your workflow, this software is creating a lot of buzz. Stick with me till the end, because I'm going to show you how to try this software for free and give you insights into its true potential. First off, Video Insight Pro AI is built for those who want to maximize their video content. It's an AI-powered tool designed to analyze, optimize, and improve video content in ways you've never seen before. One of the standout features of Video Insight Pro is its ability to perform automated video analysis. Whether you're analyzing trends, engagement, or even predicting how videos will perform, this software does it all. In an era where video marketing is a massive driver of success, this tool could be a game changer for you. Secondly, it has a unique algorithm that can help you identify your audience's interests and preferences within minutes. By using Video Insight Pro, you're not guessing what works. It provides data-backed insights that tell you exactly what your target audience wants, helping you create content that resonates. And if you're someone who struggles with creating content that sticks, this software gives you the roadmap. Another cool feature is its integration with major platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, making it a perfect companion for your social media marketing. It automatically pulls data from these platforms to generate suggestions and actionable insights, allowing you to tweak your strategy on the fly. Whether you're doing paid ads or organic content, Video Insight Pro helps you optimize both. In addition, the AI software includes a powerful video SEO feature that will optimize your titles, descriptions, and even tags to help your videos rank better on search engines. If you're tired of putting hours into SEO work with little to no results, this tool might save you a lot of time and frustration. One of the features I find most valuable is its real-time feedback. It helps you analyze video content as it's being produced and provides recommendations to improve it before you even hit publish. This can save you from making costly mistakes and ensures your video is as polished as possible right from the start. Now, let's talk about automation. Video Insight Pro AI automates key processes like content planning, scheduling, and even audience engagement. Imagine being able to focus more on the creative side of things and less on the repetitive tasks that eat up your time. The automation streamlines your workflow so you can do more with less effort. Finally, I want to point out how user-friendly this software is. Even if you're new to AI or video optimization tools, you'll find it easy to navigate. The interface is intuitive, and most users can start getting results within a few hours of using it. And if you're feeling uncertain, there's excellent customer support ready to guide you through any questions you may have. So, is Video Insight Pro AI worth the hype? After trying it for myself, I can confidently say it's one of the best AI tools available right now. It saves you time, helps you create better content, and delivers actionable insights that can significantly improve your video marketing strategy. If you're curious about trying it yourself, you can get access to Video Insight Pro AI for free from the first link below. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and Video Insight Pro stands out in terms of value and functionality. Check out the recommended AI tools in the description to help you streamline your workflow, boost your video content, and level up your digital marketing. Don't forget to try them out for free. Your next big content breakthrough might just be a click away.